Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today we will take a look at the Australian dollar because our targets for current week on the other currencies mostly have been completed. So we will take a look at the euro currency that we have discussed yesterday. That market could show deep retracement down. That really has happened. That's euro currency. Our setup, we said that we could take short position here with the action at least to the 1366 conference support, and you see that market even has exceeded a bit, and we said that market maybe even reach the 50% support that euro currency likes most of all, and that indeed has happened. So you can see that is 3.8, that is 6.18, so 50% right here. So almost has been hit pips to pips. So that has happened on the decision of the European Central Bank that it will not accept the Greek bonds as the collateral for the providing the liquidity for the Greece economy, and that was really negative sign for that the turmoil and the concern about the Greece economy still exist, and there's some disagreement between the new government and the Greece and the European Central Bank exists. So it's really some risky moment in the conversation between them, and this drop just shows the reaction of the investors on this speech, on this conversation between the financial minister of the Greece and Mario Draghi. So on the daily time frame chart of the euro currency, we still expect to get maybe the double repo buy pattern, because this engulfing pattern, maybe market will drop a bit further. That will let us to count on the double repo, but this it's not very interesting right now. On the Great British Pound, also target almost has been completed, so we see that our head and shoulders a bit skewed and flat pattern, but as you can see, this A, B, C bottom D pattern mostly completed, and it's also not very interesting. That's why today we will take a look at the Australian dollar, and that will be a very fast snapshot, since we would like to talk on the scalp setup on the Australian dollar on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, the Australian dollar provides and could create really nicely looking head and shoulders pattern. We do not want to put the great hopes on this pattern and start to speak about some fundamental shifts on Australian dollar, mostly not. Since this is the hourly chart, that will be probably some sort of the retracement. This pattern mostly has the technical feature, and we should not find something under curtain of this. We do not need to search some fundamental background with this pattern that something is changing on the Australian dollar and so on. That's just the technical setup, because market mostly overextended to the downside, and its technical retracement here is very probable, especially because gold right now stands well and holds above the 1250 major support. The chances on the upward continuation of the gold market exist. So Australian dollar is, the gold currency, and it shows some similar action. What we have here, first of all, take a look at the recent plunge on the statement of the National Bank of Australia on some dovish comments have been totally erased by this action to the upside. So you can see that this market here has created greater swing to the upside than the previous plunge down. Some lot of wash and rinse here. Also take a look that harmony of this pattern looks not bad. So this head stands right at the 1618 of the shoulder, and market has stopped this plunge right at the weekly pivot support one. So that increases chances that market could show this ABCD pattern to the upside with the target around the 79.50, and that agrees with the weekly pivot resistance one. With the having non-farm payrolls ahead, so everything could happen, and that's why this action could happen. Why not? So that will be the minimum target of this ABCD pattern. Why we have decided to take a look at Australian dollar? Because right now market stands at the moment that is very suitable for making the decision whether you would like to take the long position or not. Because take a look, the bottom of the right shoulder has been created, it stands in agreement with this lows of the left shoulder as well. So harmony is not very bad. It's pretty looking pattern. And this level where market stands right now gives very nice risk-reward ratio. It gives the least risk, since your risk will be just below these lows, around the 77, 77.20 area, somewhere in this area. Because if market will plunge down and will break through this level, it means that market probably will continue right to the bottom of the head. So that will be some sort of the failure of this pattern if market will pass through this level. That's why here risk is not very big right now, and the current situation provides the best entry point compared to any other. And also risk and reward also will be very significant. So risk-reward ratio seems very attractive. That's why we have decided to talk on the Australian dollar today. So decide if you like this setup, you could try to trade it, because currently we do not see any other attractive setup among the major currencies right now. So we continue to monitor the situation on the euro currency, but right now our yesterday's setup has been completed, and it looks like the Australian dollar provides better opportunity and more clear pattern than any other currency. So let's see how it will turn.